So in this video, I want to introduce something called breeds. And we define our breeds at the very top. So we might have one breed called sheep. We have to give a singular and a plural for some reason. And we might also have one called fox. Plural fox is an E. So what this does is that it tells the program that we're going to be referring to two types of turtles, sheep and foxes. So throughout the program, we can tell sheep to do one thing and foxes to do something completely different. So it means we're allowed to control them separately, which is very useful. So to set this up, instead of just creating one turtle, we'll now create sheep's one. And why don't we do, while we're setting its color, we'll set its shape to sheep. And we'll also create one. So create foxes one, and we'll set its shape to fox. Let's see if that works. Ooh, maybe it was plural first, singular second. Plural first, singular second. Okay, so I was right, it's plural first, singular second. The problem is we have no shape called fox. We have a shape called wolf, I think. So why don't we try wolf? We have no shape called wolf. Let's have a look. What kind of shapes do we have? How about we use a fish? You might have other shapes. For me, I don't seem to have a lot of shapes. So we have a sheep and we have a fish. It's actually difficult to see. Let's make them a little bigger. So to make them bigger, we say set size 3. Here we can also say set size 3. We have a big fish, a big sheep. And there, they're roaming around. But we still are controlling them together. We're still asking all the turtles to do something. So now, this is where this gets useful. We can say ask sheeps to do one thing and ask foxes to do something else. So maybe we're asking the sheep to go forward 1. We're asking the foxes to go forward 1 and turn right 4 degrees. So when we set that up, we'll see that the sheep is still just going straight, but our fox, which is really a fish, is actually going around in a circle. So a very useful way of controlling turtles separately by defining them as different breeds. It doesn't matter what you call the breeds. Once you give it a plural and a singular, call it anything you like, and you create with the plural the number you want to create. You can create as many as you want, and you can define them all separately. And then you can control them separately. Once this is an observer context, you can control them completely separately. Very, 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 very useful. Oh, notice my turn button here is still set for all turtles. So if I hit right, they both still turn right. So maybe what I want is my fox to roam around in circles and my sheep to be under my control. So I can now just turn right, and the fox continues doing its thing, but I'm controlling the sheep. And that was just by changing this to ask sheeps instead of ask turtles.